I love the idea of what AI can do for people, because it's literally something that can help you. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell because we got a lot of good content on the way. Today's topic is one of my favorite. Let's talk about AI. A lot of y'all haven't even tapped into all that AI has to offer. So many different AI platforms out there. I mean, there's literally thousands right now. And yes, I said thousands. In thousands of different ways that you could potentially be losing your job. A lot of people could be being replaced by AI, and it's something that's actually happening right now. I know people and different platforms that are literally, being like transitioned out of, what I'm saying? Like people, for example, like copywriters and content creators even are being replaced with AI because AI can edit videos for you now. It can take long forms and create shorter videos and like add captions and add music, all that type of stuff. And of course, like captions, you can use different platforms to write an idea, write a caption for social media, papers, documents, all those types of things. I personally use ChatGPT all the time, and I'm gonna get like super technical for a little minute. And like I use this platform because I can literally download and upload like documents, images. I don't think you can do videos yet, but you can do links to like websites, and you can tell it to like search the internet for like certain topics and certain things, and it'll spit that information right back to you. And so I love it because I know how to talk to AI. This is something I like teach, my clients, my friends, like anybody that's around me. I'm always pressing them like, hey, don't just use AI, know how to talk to it and communicate with it. Because if you know how to talk to it, if you know how to use it, then you're going to get a better product, and the AI isn't going to replace you. You're going to always be able to manage AI. And that's honestly one of the services that we have at the Creative Halo, which is, our social media agency that we have. So without further ado, I just want to break down, how I use AI and just like my thought process when it comes to like artificial intelligence, right? So I'll have an idea initially, and in that idea, I'm simply going to drop it into, of course, whatever AI platform that I'm using, or whatever platform that you want to use, right? And so in this AI platform, once you have that idea, you can ask it any question. You can ask it anything. Like literally, I don't want to say you can ask it like God questions, but I'm a believer now. Let's not go there. Don't get it twisted. But what I mean is there's an infinite amount of questions that you can ask it. So because I do social media, let's just stick with social media. And so you can ask AI, hey, I have this idea. What are some videos that I could create? What are some photos that I could do? What are some, I don't know, emails or blogs, I would say. And this is whatever you want it to be. I'm just doing it for this video. But the beauty of AI is it's literally going to give you everything that you just asked. So let's say you're asking it specific things like, hey, I want 5 videos, I want 5 photos, I want 5 email drafts and blogs, right? It's literally going to give you 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. And after that, what I do is I'll go back to, I'll narrow down like with these videos, hey, what are some like scripts, right? And like how long does it need to be? So like messing up here. So like what's the time length, all that type of stuff. Like you can get very specific, and this just shows you everything that you can do with AI just based off of idea alone. And this is just, again, the platform that I'm making this example out of is ChatGPT. That's just how I break down, my process and my system when I approach AI. AI isn't a source for me, it's a resource. And I like to think of it that way because it's helping me further evolve. It's helping me further innovate like my ideas and just everything that I do. So yes, I have ideas, you know, I pray on it, I work on it, I execute, but I'm also just going to throw it in AI just to see what else is out there in the world. That's the beauty of like Chat GPT. Like that platform is very amazing because it actually grabs information, you know, from the internet and all those types of things. And one of the things that I didn't tell y'all in the beginning, because I wanted to explain AI before, you know, I just gave y'all, you know, this free tool. But the Creative Halo AI is available right now. That's our own AI platform that we have at the Creative Halo. The Creative Halo AI. I can't even talk because I'm so excited. The Creative Halo AI is one of the AI platforms that we have at the Creative Halo. We're a social media marketing agency, and it's literally just going to help you with your social media needs. Like, this idea literally is what the Creative Halo AI does for you, your business, your personal brand, your personal, everything, like your business, whatever. So it's really dope. Like, I love the idea of what AI can do for people, because it's literally something that can help you get closer to success, like meeting your goals. And the beautiful thing about AI is it literally helps you get out of like that creative block, right? When you're in one of your days when it's like hard to create, when it's, you know, no inspiration, no motivation, AI can be a resource for you to just throw an idea in and create something out of nothing. You see what I'm saying? Like, sometimes I go through, you know, creators block all the time, to where like I just don't feel motivated sometimes, but I still have to get the work done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm literally just gonna use AI to throw in my idea and create something out of nothing, basically. And so again, the Creative Halo AI is available for everybody, and it's on the creativehalo.com, so you should go check it out. However, this is the end of this video. I just want to say thank y'all. Hope you learned something about AI today. Let me know in the comments, like, what AI platforms are you using? How have you integrated AI with your workflow, whether it's like your social media, your business, whatever it is. And be sure to watch the next video. Again, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.